If you're a business owner, a doctor, a real estate investor, or if you're simply concerned about protecting your hard-earned wealth, you might want to put in place an asset protection strategy. In this video, I'm going to talk about what you can do to protect your assets from creditors, from things that you can put in place yourself to more complex strategies that we use in the legal world. One of the easiest ways to protect your assets is to hold them in a way that's protected from creditors under the law. One of these ways is a retirement account. A tax-deferred retirement account like a 401k or an IRA is protected from creditors under the law. So if you're not currently maximizing your retirement account contributions, that's a great way to start. The other way that can be protected from creditors is by a life insurance policy. Life insurance is also protected from creditors under the law, and you can maximize this protection by purchasing a policy that has an investment component to it. If you're a business owner, you want to protect your personal assets from any claims that are arising out of your business. The best way to do this is to operate your business through a legal entity, such as a limited liability company or a corporation. If you don't have this kind of protection in place, a creditor from your business can reach all of your assets, including your own home. So don't make the mistake of operating your business outside of a legal entity. The same is true if you hold real estate investment properties. If a tenant gets injured on your property, a lawsuit can wipe out all of your life savings. You can protect against that by holding the property through a business entity. While business entities are an important part of protecting your assets, they're not a substitute for insurance. If you own a business, you definitely want to have business insurance, and you also may want to have a personal umbrella liability insurance policy. Once you have these strategies covered, you might want to consider an asset protection trust. An asset protection trust is a great way to protect assets, but it must be carefully drafted and carefully administered. A catch of this type of trust is that there is a trade-off between having access to the assets and protecting them from creditors. So you need to work with an experienced attorney who can maximize your control over the assets while also making sure the assets would be protected from creditors. You've worked hard for what you have, and you deserve to keep it for you and your family. When you're ready to put a comprehensive asset protection plan in place that really works, contact our firm to schedule a consultation.